And welcome to Son of a Pitcher's first ever FIFA 19 skill moves tutorial. I play the game quite a lot in my free time when I get the chance to, and I've gotten quite decent at a couple of moves, so I wanted to share with you some of my favorite moves from this year's FIFA. Let's get right into it. Some of my favorite players to use skills with in this game is Juan Cuadrado, just because of his great sprint speed. He has 93, good agility, also 5-star skills, so he can do most of the moves in the game, and he's one of my favorite players. So let's hop into this, and we're going to go to the practice arena to showcase a couple of these moves. The first one we're going to go over is the rainbow. Pretty simple. You're going to want to flick down the right stick once and then twice up, so just like that. Let's see right here again. Flick down once, up twice, rainbow, bang. Missed a shot, but you know, we can't always make all of them. So one more time, down, up, up. You can take it one more time around and then shoot. I mean, he's not the greatest finisher, but Cuadrado is one of the best skillers in the game. All right, for the next one, we're gonna go over the Rabona fake. So this one's a bit more challenging. So it requires also using the bumpers in the back, so like the left and the right triggers. So you're going to want to use whichever way you're going. I usually use the left one. You're going to come around like this. You're going to go over here. And boom, just like that. Not perfect all the time because it also, you need to do fake shot, which is square and pass. So you shoot and pass at the same time as your fake shot, which can also lead to doing the Ronaldo chop, which is the same combination of buttons, but it requires pulling the left stick back that way, hitting the L2, and then hitting the fake shot. It gives him like a little nice stop effect on the Rabona right here. It looks pretty good when it comes off. I'll try and do it one more time. Like that, and stops, cuts quickly. You can drag it back just like that, and then look, nice little easy shot, converts. So now we're gonna go over the Rabona goal, which requires basically the same, but instead of doing, you're going to drop the X on this one. There's no need to hit that because you're obviously shooting. You need to get in the box. Let's say Cuadrado's making a run. Right here, what I usually want to do, you drag the ball that way, bang. It doesn't always come off because you need to get the left trigger always down. So we'll try it one more time. Give a little speed on this one. Cuadrado coming into the box, drags it away from the keeper, still saved it. I'll give it one more attempt. Alright, let's see. Give it a little Berba spin. Cuadrado into the box. Not quite coming off. I haven't tried this skill move this many times in this FIFA, but we'll give it, here's the last go. Still nothing. Alright, I mean, I kind of want to get it just so I can say that I did. But yeah, here's one more time. This one's one of the harder ones to do in the game. Oh, I mean, penalty, come on, ref. Yeah, all right, last one, and then we'll go into the hocus pocus. This one, you're going to drag the left stick, L2. You should probably be holding that down. Basically, yeah, you want to hold the L2, left stick that way, square. And that'll give you, that should theoretically give you the Rabona shot. Doesn't always come off. I've done it a couple times in game, but it's just not happening today. We'll go with the last skill move right here, which would be hocus pocus. This is pretty simple. What you're going to do, you're going to hold the left stick down, or the right stick down, the right stick. Drag it to the left just a little bit, and you're going to bring it back to the right, just like that. So this one's pretty good. Like, if you got a defender on you right there, easily gets you to the shot, or the finesse shot to the right corner. If you don't know what the finesse shot is, it's R1 and the shoot button. Gives you the ball a little curve on it, helps you get around the keeper more. But let's just do it one more time. Boom, bang, goal. It's pretty effective once you get into the box because either the defender's going to have to force up to make the tackle right there, which could result in a penalty, or you're going to get that nice shot against the keeper, so all you got to do is place it past him. I'll do it one more time right here. Cuadrado dribbles in. Shot didn't quite come off, but that ends the video here. Thank you for watching the first FIFA 19 skill tutorial from Son of a Pitch. More to come in the future, so stay tuned.